Hello and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today in this video I will show you how to create a responsive gallery inside your WordPress website, both by using a page builder or by not using a page builder inside the normal Gutenberg editor. So if you are creating a portfolio website and you want to display your portfolio in the best way possible, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to create responsive gallery, how you can zoom images the way you want, how to put your screenshots and so on. So first let me show you how you can create a responsive gallery inside the classic editor of WordPress, not by using any third-party page builder. So as you can see, this is the WordPress dashboard. We don't have any page builder installed. And for creating the gallery, we can install a simple pre-plugin, which is this one. And if you want to see the demo, then you can go to the link in the description and you can watch its demo. So as you can see, this is a really cool and minimal gallery. You can zoom and you can link this. For example, I want to zoom this. Then as you can see, this will open up in the lightbox. We can share this, we can copy its link, we can zoom this, we can view this in full screen. We can also play this like a video. We can also download this image. For example, I want to zoom this, zoom. So the zoom effect in this plugin is really awesome. As you can see, if you are putting your whole website screenshot, then this plugin is for you. Let's try the full view. And this is also really cool. And this is also playable. So this will be the timeline. As you can see, this will change image like this. And the user can also change images right here. If you want to download the specific image, you can click on this. So this is a really cool and lightweight plugin for creating gallery. If you want to create this, then you can simply go to the link in the description and you can download this plugin, or you can simply copy its name and you can go back to your dashboard, go to plugins and add new, and here you can search for that plugin. So this is the plugin by Photo Gallery team. You can install this. Click activate, and this will take you to a dashboard. Here you can create your gallery. So I'll create a new gallery. This is the title, so we will call this portfolio. Description, we can leave this empty, and here we can upload our images. So if you want to add multiple images, then you can click on this. If you want to add one by one, then you can click on this. Let's add a few images. I'll go to media library and will upload a few images. Now I have my portfolio here, so those are basically the screenshots. As you can see, these are very long screenshots, and the best way to represent them is by using that plugin. So let's use a few of them. And once you upload all of your images and select them, then you can click on upload. And that is how you can add images to the gallery. You can also change its title, the alternate text, the description, and the URL if you want. I'm not doing this because the video will get lengthy. So once you create the gallery, then you can just scroll down, click save and close. And this will create a shortcode, so just copy the shortcode. You can place this shortcode inside a post, a page, or any page builder you want. Let's go to pages and we will create a new page for this. And let's call this new page, and we will add a block of shortcode. So select shortcode and paste that. Okay, let's copy the shortcode again. And then click publish. So as you can see, we are not using any type of page builder. This is simple classic editor. Let's view the page. And this is our gallery. As you can see, we have all the images. We can zoom this like this. And you can see how much we can zoom this. So this is how you can create a responsive gallery for your WordPress website. Basically, this is also my portfolio website. I have taken a screenshot and I have pasted it over here. Let's close this. And if you want to customize the look, then you can go back. Here you can go to, and here you can edit this and go to its settings. Then you can enable your filter if you want. So the filter is this one. So this is the filter that you can display over there. I don't have any, so I'll leave this. This is the gallery title. If you want, you can enable, disable this. This is the gallery description. And this is the thumbnail size. You can choose your image size here. You can change the image order and so on. You can disable the lightbox, but we need that. The gallery width and so on. And here is the image height and width. If you want, you can increase and decrease this. For example, I will keep this 1 by 5, and these are the columns, which are 3 columns here. You can increase and decrease the number of columns also. So let's save and close this and refresh the page. So as you can see, the height of the image increased due to the aspect ratio, and we can increase and decrease this according to our need. Now this is not a good page to look at better, but you can design your page and you can place your portfolio. Now let's see how we can add a portfolio inside Elementor page builder. For that we will need to install Elementor first. So let's go to add new and search for Elementor and install this. Now for the Elementor we have a number of add-ons that we can use and we can create our galleries. The one I would recommend is this unlimited add-ons for Elementor, and I have discussed this plugin in many of my videos. You can watch them, and we have created many things using this plugin. And here you can see the possibilities of the galleries that you can create for free. For example, you need a great image gallery, then you can use this. Let's preview this. You can also minimalistic image gallery, and all of these are free. As you can see, some of them are pro. Slider image gallery, and we also have a video gallery for free. So you can install this plugin and let's see the previews. And this is a normal gallery like this, and the minimal one, which is this one. You can also change the images here, and you can play and pause this. You can view the full screen. And this is the slider, which is the normal slider for your images. This will also automatically scroll, as you can see. And this is the video gallery, which is awesome. You can click this, you can play a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, and so on. And this is the minimalistic video gallery, which is with this look. So you can use any of these galleries according to your need. If you have videos, then you can put this gallery. You can use this one for images and so on. And to install this plugin, you can copy its name. This is unlimited elements. And here you will have to go to plugins and search for that plugin. And this is the plugin that we need. So just install this. And now let's go to plugins and activate both of these. So the first one is Elementor, then unlimited elements for Elementor. We will choose activate and we'll activate both of that plugin. And now before using the gallery, we will have to go to this plugin. You can click skip. And here we will have to enable the widgets that we need, and this is a really cool feature of this plugin because this will not load all of its elements right Elementor. And for creating the gallery, we can scroll down, and here you can see image galleries and video galleries, and you can also use all of these widgets for free and pro version. So let's go to image galleries, and here we have these 3 for free, so let's install them. like this. Let's also enable video galleries, and we will install both of these, which are free. Now let's create a new page. And we will call this galleries, and we will not add anything else, and we will just edit this page with Elementor. And here we can start creating the galleries. First of all, we will search for gallery, and everything you see with this logo is by that plugin, so you can use any of these. For example, I need the grid image gallery, so I'll just select this and I'll drag this, and now I will have to add my images. So click on this. Let's use the same images, and we'll create new gallery. And as you can see, instantly we created a gallery. This have borders, as you can see, enable borders, so you can remove them. You can enable and disable outline if you want. And as you can see, we have the text overlay, so you can enable and disable this. You can also enable and disable bullets if you want. You can also put arrows and so on. Now I'm not discussing these in much detail because the video will get lengthy. The video is just to show you how you can create galleries inside WordPress. Once you create this, then you can simply click on publish and have a look at the page. And now we have this gallery, and we have those images. So this is how you can create galleries inside WordPress. You can also use the other elements. For example, I want to use a slider, then I can use this one. Let's drag this. Again, we can choose images, and that will scroll like this one or this one. So this is how you can create galleries inside your WordPress website using both the classic editor or any page builder. You can also use the previous shortcode, which is this one, inside your Elementor if you want. To show you quickly, I can search for shortcode and I can paste that shortcode. Then I can click on update, and let's preview the page. And now we have that gallery over here. So this is how you can create galleries inside your WordPress website for displaying your portfolio. I hope you have learned something new in this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.